Hello everyone, this is Roshan again. So how are you doing, guys? I hope you all are great and in good health. Well, I'm also good. And let's talk about some valuable things in life in order to make our life happy, beautiful, and enjoy it with fulfillment. Alright, so it's all about how you start your day. Do start your day with positive thoughts, with happy thoughts. Start your day with gratitude. Be thankful for each and everything that you have. Imagine the things you want to achieve in life. Imagine your goals and visualize the things. Visualize as you are there, you have achieved that success, you are doing the things you want to do in life. Do exercise regularly, whatever the exercise you can do. If you do not get much time for exercise, for going to gym, for doing any kind of activities, be it walking, running, whatever, you have to spare some time for yourself, right? Because the thing is that even if you have everything, wealth in your life, everything you have achieved, and if you do not have proper health, even after so much of wealth and everything, you cannot enjoy. So what is the use of that wealth if you do not have a fit body, fit mind, do not have that fitness to enjoy that? So do exercise, whatever kind of exercise you can do. Start reading good books. You will get knowledge, more knowledge. You will learn the facts about life. You will find out the true solution for your happiness. You will enjoy the nature, the beauty of nature. See how beautiful this nature is. How beautiful the water flowing in the river. See how beautiful the mountains are. The sun, it is giving you energy. Walk early in the morning, you will get fresh air. All right. So let's talk about walking today. It is a good exercise which everyone can do and anywhere can do. You can do it anywhere. You can do it in gym, at your home, at your workplace if you get some place. It is a very good kind of activity. Walking, it releases endorphins, which keeps you physically fit along with so many improvement in physical activities, it has mental benefits as well. It boosts your power, it boosts your immune system. It gives you positive energy. All right. It also helps in the management of weight management, time management. It helps you in lot many things in your life. It keeps you positive. It keeps you positive in your life. So it's a kind of holistic thing. Start doing that. Do walking every day. Be it for 1 hour, half an hour, or for 15 minutes, 10 minutes. But the thing is that you need to start. All right. It also improves the quality of your sleep. You will get better sleep. Right. So start doing this. So walking, it also improves your immune system, your immunity power. All right. So for achieving success in life, in order to achieve success in life, you need to do all possible efforts from your end. Right? You have to fly. You have to fly, yes. But if you cannot fly, you have to run. Yes. It's the beautiful sun. All right. So if you cannot fly, run. Yes, run. And if you cannot run, walk. Yes, walk. And if you cannot walk, crawl. Then crawl. At least crawl. Because doing is important. Start doing actions. Crawling means do actions. Only thinking in mind will not do. Thinking is of not that important. You have to do actions, guys. Actions. See how beautiful these bamboo trees are. Pleasant climate, beautiful nature in the morning. So you have to start doing actions. Actions really work, guys. Really. Actions really work. You will get results. You will get results soon if you start doing actions. All right. So start doing holistic activities, start doing meditation, keep reading good books. You will achieve more knowledge and finally achieve your success. Keep doing good things, start helping people. All right, help whoever you want to help, wherever you are, and with whatever you have with you. All right, it doesn't require so much of things in life to be happy, to help. You can help with anything. See, beautiful flowers, wonderful white flowers. These are white flowers. These are pink ones. Beautiful. So you will start. Yes, one more thing, one more importance of morning walking in the morning or any time in nature. If you are in the vicinity of nature, see, you will start praising, you will start appreciating the nature, the trees, the sun, the mountains, right? The air, the fresh air, the cool breeze, everything. You start appreciating the things. You will feel happy from inside, from your soul. Your soul will become perfect. All right, helpful. You will start helping others, and if you help others, you will get help back. Do not expect that thing, that help from others. You will get it back. By whom? So it is the universe. It will help you in terms of opportunities, in terms of your health, in terms of your mind, in terms of your power, in terms of everything, your knowledge, skills. So yes, you will be getting benefits, physical benefits, mental benefits. So start doing walking. You can see for the last, I think, yes, it is 1 hour I am walking, because I believe in walking, in doing exercises. It will increase your cardiovascular activities, fine, making your body, brain, mind sharp and in working condition, improving condition, right? So there are many things, guys, that I will be discussing with you, sharing with you. I want to share the vast 22 years of experience, whatever I have gained in life in terms of experience happiness, worries, sorrows, anxiety, fears, fitness, each and everything I will share with you guys. All right. So, thing is that the very, very important thing is that start doing activities, start doing actions. Action is important. Keep doing consistent actions, massive actions. Yes, start massive actions, immediate actions, intensive, massive actions, imperfect, massive action. Do not look for procrastinations. Even if you are not perfect, no issues at all, guys. No issues, because no one is perfect in this entire world, around the world, on this planet. No one is 100% perfect, right? So do not wait for that perfection, because let me tell you the thing, important thing is that what we are talking about perfection, guys, there is nothing called as perfection. All right. Yes, there is nothing called as perfection. Perfection is perception. Yes, perfection is perception. It is a perception that I'll be perfect, I'll be 100% man or woman in life. Don't wait for that, guys. Start doing imperfect, massive action. Wherever you are, start. Right? So it is like that, and you will start getting results. Results again in terms of everything. In terms of your mindset will definitely change at all. You will be a totally different person. All right? You are not though you were earlier. You are a different you, a totally different you. Right? Your body will be fit, your mental health will be fit, you will improve your confidence, and you are moving towards your success, your goal. Right? So see how beautiful this nature is, how beautiful the mountains are, the rising sun behind the mountain. Right? You can see now you can see the sun. Okay, so There are so many things to share with you guys. I will keep posting valuable things. I will keep posting my experience, the values in society to help others to improve. I don't want people like me to feel the sorrows, the depression, the fears, the anxiety which I was feeling earlier, because I came out of that, improved a lot on myself. Alright, started so many activities. Alright, so many strategies that I have, and I am on the way to success. I am achieving a great transformation, guys, and I will reveal that. I will share those tactics, those skills with you to achieve success in your life. And now I think you can see the sun, the rising sun. All right, this is, here it is, the rising sun behind the mountains. Okay, good to go. If you like it, please do comment, do share, follow me, and I'm always there for you guys. So it was all about it for today. Meet you soon with some more valuable things in order to make you happy and enjoy your life with fulfillment. All right. So thank you so much for listening to me, guys. Meet you soon. Meet you real soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Universe bless you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.